In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule social media posts with GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to plan, create, and schedule content across your channels without leaving your dashboard. First, open the Social Planner. From your main dashboard, head to the Marketing section, then select Social Planner. This is your central hub for planning content, previewing what's coming up, and keeping everything organized in one place. Before you can schedule anything, you'll need to connect your social accounts. Click the plus icon labeled Socials in the top right. You can connect your Facebook page, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Google Business profile. During this process, you may be prompted to log in and grant permissions. Make sure you have the correct admin access for each page or profile and select the exact pages you want to post to. If you manage multiple brands or locations, connect them all here so they're ready when you schedule. Now create your post. Click New Post, and you'll land in the Composer. Start with your caption. Keep it clear and focused on the message you want to convey. If you're including a call to action, place it near the top so it's easy to spot. Add images or videos to make your post stand out. Use high-quality visuals and choose aspect ratios that fit each platform well. If you're adding links or hashtags, keep them concise. Remember that Instagram doesn't support clickable links in captions, so you might want to direct people to your bio or include key details in the image or video itself. Choose the platforms you want to post to, such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Google Business Profile. It's okay to use the same base content, but consider small tweaks. For instance, LinkedIn often benefits from a more professional tone, while Google Business Profile favors shorter updates with relevant details. By the way, if you don't have GoHighLevel yet, there's a link to the website at the very top of the description. Use that to sign up or log in and follow along. When your content looks good, open the post menu, choose Schedule Post, and pick your date and time. Double check your time zone and aim for when your audience is most active. If you're experimenting, try different times and watch what performs best. Finally, confirm everything by clicking Schedule Post. You'll see your post appear on the calendar, ready to go live at the time you set. That's it. Your content is scheduled and off your to-do list. Thanks for watching.